sure if you guys could tell from that, but the car is quite a bit louder. So I did end up getting the X-pipe installed, but unfortunately I am experiencing two very bad exhaust leaks coming from where the X-pipe kind of clamps together. So I'm working with the manufacturer, and they are assisting me with sourcing a different style clamp. So looking forward to receiving those clamps. Sheesh. So I'll be getting, so even with the exhaust leak, it sounds insane. I can't wait to see if there's going to be a difference once I resolve those leaks. And the exhaust is, purely traveling downstream, if that kind of makes sense. But yeah, I got some new clamps coming in, next day ship. I'm gonna get those installed ASAP. And then I'm not sure if I'll do I have footage from the install, but it was pretty hectic. It took me 4 to 5 hours of really taking my time, and then I guess kind of like an hour of me being disappointed and adjusting the clamps back and forth. So might not include that. Oh, whoa. Why are these guys? That is so dangerous. That is so dangerous. Like, alright. Wow. It's so nice how this exhaust setup paired with the back box. Currently going the speed limit, and there's no drone. Right, just keeping up with traffic. You guys can hear me clearly, but when I get on it,